Very good morning. Today we are discuss about system configuration. Here HLEI, that means high level engineering interface, major role in automating process, control structures, computational algorithm stored in high level engineering interface, following information. Number, type and location of hardware in local control unit. Definition of hardware selected on each module. Define input point to hardware module. Number, type and location of all operator and engineering consoles in the system. Number, type and location of any other devices that communicate using shared communication facility, special logging or computing device, some manually, others automatic using broadcast message, control and computational information, tags, descriptors, definitions, address, logic state descriptors for digital system, signal conditioning in digital input output as communication linkages, high level language computation algorithm in LCU. Next, control and computational logic configuration. Fill in the blanks function through sequence of prompts and response. Graphics capability engineer draws using light pen similar to CAD, computer aided design. Enter, debug and check high level language routines. Storage confirmation. Use of mass memory to store configuration information. Control logics without presence to target hardware. Verify the engineer input to LCU. Comparison for mass storage. Failed device replace with new one. Configuration download to it. Upload configuration from device interface. Operator interface configuration. Configure or change display structures. Number of areas in plant. Identifying tags and descriptors. Number of groups in each area. Assignment of control loop and input point to group. Types of display at each level, platformed, pre-formatted or custom. Linkages between display. Assignment of points in system for special function. Layout of display, graphical symbol, static background elements, dynamic graphics element, dynamic alphabetic elements, then control station, hook points, touch screen. Then operator input mechanism, special function definition, graphics, drawing and editing, simple modification, macro symbol operations, display transportability, then expanded display definition. Documentation, following documentation automatically list of hardware, modules and their location. Control configuration and the associated tuning parameters for each local control unit. Listing of tags, descriptors, hardware address, input or output modules, listing of special operators, interface function with the tag, operator display in system with a drawing and display hierarchy. Diagnosis of system problems. Most of hardware devices microprocessor based intelligent to perform online self-diagnosis. Next one, Typical diagnosis hierarchy. The system status monitoring, high-level operator interface diagnosis, then high-level computing device diagnosis, high-level engineering interface diagnosis. Here the system monitoring, system status monitoring, then communication, then total system level, then communication system level diagnosis, and then local control unit and digital input and output status monitoring, and then LCU and digital input output level, then LCU self diagnosis, then digital input output self diagnosis, power system monitoring, and the next cooling system monitoring. The hierarchy of these elements in the typical diagnosis is hierarchy. And the next example of a diagnosis display, then hold status OK communication, then hold status up to 3-4 modules system status. Here the area hydraulic rockers, here LCU local control unit 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then area hydraulic local control unit 10, 11, 12, and then area reactors, and then 13, 14, 15. These are all the schematic of examples of diagnostic display unit. General purpose computers in DCS. These advantages flexibility, modularity, and friendliness of distributed approach to implementing high-level control and computing functions were noted. The general purpose computer may well have role to play in DCS depending on the background of the user and the need of the particular application. Some of the issues that would motivate user to include general purpose computer in DCS are then software investment. The user already may have invested considerable time and resources in software packages that run off a specific computer. The cost of converting these packages to a form that would run in a vendor distributed computing environment may not be worth the benefits. Specialized language requirements. The user applications may be implemented most rapidly by means of a software language that is not available in the system provided by the distributed control vendors. And then extensive computational requirements. The speed and the memory requirements of a particular applications may preclude the use of microprocessor based device. Some examples of large computing applications of this type of include modeling large dynamic systems, running large linear and non-linear programs, and identifying dynamics of high order systems. Then personal computer for small system. Some digital control applications requires some high level functions but are too small scope to justify the purchase of any high level computing or human interface devices from the control system vendor. In many of these situations, a personal computer can provide the functions required, typically a few data acquisition, logging and computational function. Thank you.